valency of aluminum. Aluminum valency 3. First one, oxygen of air. Aluminum react with the air presence of oxygen. Another one is a nitrogen. This one, heat. Aluminum valency 3, oxygen valency 2. So cross multiplication to formation of Al2O3. Aluminum valency 3, nitrogen valency also 3 to formation of AlN. This name aluminum oxide or alumina. This name aluminum nitride. Valence equation. Here 2 nitrogen, here 1 nitrogen, 2. Here how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Write the 3 oxygen. Here 3 oxygen. So write 2 is a 4 aluminum. Next, oxygen with water. Aluminum does not react with water but react with steam. To formation of Al2O3 and the liberation of hydrogen. Valence equation. Here 2 aluminum, 3 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. So don't write 3 oxygen. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen. How many aluminum? Is 2. Another one is oxygen with the alkali. Aluminum react with alkali. Aluminum does not react with alkali but dissolved state react with alkali. Dissolved state means with water. To formation of NaAlO2 and the liberation of hydrogen. This name sodium meta-aluminate is a Valence equation. Here 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Here 2 sodium, so aluminum 2. Here 2 oxygen. Here also 2 oxygen. So totally it's a 4 oxygen. How many hydrogen? Next, fourth one, oxygen of acid. Aluminum react with the dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, but does not react with the dilute or concentrated nitric acid. Why? Because oxide layer formed on the surface of aluminum. For example, aluminum react with H2SO4 concentrated. Concentrated oxide react with water, may be any metal. What is the formula? Salt plus SO2 plus water. Al2 SO4 thrice SO2 plus hydrogen. H2 SO2 gas liberated. How many sulfur? 3 sulfur is a 4. So 4 sulfur, 4 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 16 oxygen. Here is a 12. 16 is a 4. 20 equation not balanced. So how to increase the even number? 6. Here already 3 oxygen. How many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. How to write? 6. How many oxygen? 24 oxygen. Here 12, 6, another one 6 is a 12. Equation should be balanced. Likewise, dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid react with the aluminum to formation of salt plus hydrogen gas. Aluminum does not react with the diluted or concentrated nitric acid. Why? Because the surface formed here oxide layer on the surface of the aluminum. Iron valency 2 and 3. First action of iron react with oxygen at a high temperature to formation of Fe3O4. This name magnetic oxide. Color is dark color or magnetite. Valence equation is 2 times, here 8 times. Another one, action with the moist air. Iron react with oxygen in the presence of moisture to formation of Fe2O3 thought X times of water. This name is called rust. The process known as rusting. This process, old process known as corrosion. Iron what color? Grayish white color. Grayish white color converted to brown. Another one, action of steam. Iron does not react with water. Water in the form of steam. Steam passes over the red colored iron to formation of Fe3O4 and liberation of hydrogen gas. Common oxygen, 4 oxygen. Common hydrogen, 8 hydrogen, 4. Here is what? This known as, this iron, this known as magnetic oxide or magnetite. What is the color? Black color. Another one, action of acid. Iron react with nitric acid diluted to formation of FeNO3 twice plus ammonium nitrate plus water. Constant nitric acid does not react with iron. Why? Because the layer of iron formed as a iron oxide. Another one is iron react with H2SO4. Concentrate. Fe dilute acid react with Fe2 plus, constant acid react with Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus is more stable, so cross multiplication to SO4 rise plus SO2 plus water. For example, metals react with the constant sulfuric acid to formation of salt plus SO2 plus water. This salt name iron third sulfate or ferric sulfate. This name ferrous nitrate. Side product ammonium nitrate, another one is SO2. For example, one more question may be asked. Iron react with dilute nitric acid. What gases are liberated? This ammonium nitrate can be liberated. Another one is iron react with the constant sulfuric acid. Is what gases are liberated? Option 1 NO, option 2 N2O, option 3 SO2, option 4 ammonium nitrate. The answer is SO2 gas. These are the chemical properties of iron. Regarding 10th, totally 3 extraction. First one is copper, another one is aluminum, another one is iron. These are the chemical properties of elements. During the metallurgy, some of the terminology used in this topic. First one is minerals. Another one is ores. Another one is GAN or matrix. another one is flux, last one is slag. These are the terminology used in the metallurgy. First one is minerals. The naturally occurring chemical substance of metal present in earth crust. This is known as minerals. Another one is ores. The minerals from which metal can be extracted from their ores conveniently. This name is called ores. Another one is gram or metric. Some impurities like sand, clay, quartz, rock associated with ores. This name is called matter. Another one is a flux. Additional substance added to the ore during the reduction in order to remove the impurities. This name is called flux. Slag formed by the flux or gram. For example, FeO, these are impurities. Impurities can be removed by using the flux. Flux is SiO2 to formation of FeSiO3. This name iron silicate. Iron silicate formed from the iron oxide plus SiO2. SiO2 name silicon dioxide or silica. These are the terminology used in the metallurgy. Another one is alloys. What is the meaning for alloys? A homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or metal with non-metal. This name is called alloys. Alloys are solid solution. What is the meaning for solution? Solute plus solvent to formation of solution. Here, what is the meaning for solute? Metal with low concentration. This name is called solute. What is the meaning for solvent? Metal with high concentration. This name is called solvent. Solute plus solvent to formation of solution. For example, brass. Copper plus zinc. Copper 60 to 8%, zinc 20 to 40%. Here, which one is a solute, which one is a solvent? Copper acts as a solvent because of highest concentration. Zinc acts as a solute because of lowest concentration. What is the meaning for solute? Metal with low concentration. What is the meaning for solvent? Metal with high concentration. These alloys are solid solution. Alloy able to form the amalgams. What is the meaning for amalgam? Alloy of mercury with another metal. This name is called amalgam. For example, zinc amalgam. What is the uses of zinc amalgam? This one used in the reduction purpose. Another one, silver tin amalgam. What is the uses for silver tin amalgam? Is this one used as a tendon filling? Another one is alloys of copper, alloys of aluminium, alloys of iron. Alloys of copper can be classed in two types. First one, brass, another one, bronze. Copper, zinc. Here copper, tin. These are the composition for bronze. These are the composition for brass. What is the uses for brass? It is used as a electrical utensil, electrical cables, etc. Bronze used as a gong, statues, bell, etc. Another one, alloys of aluminium. Alloys of aluminum can be classified into two types. First one, duralumine. Second one, magnesium. What are the composition? An, Mg, Mn. Another one is a copper. An, Mg. These are the composition. Both are used as a aircraft parts. This one used as a pressure cooker. This one used as a scientific instrument. Another one, alloys of iron. Alloys of iron can be classified into two types. First one, stainless steel. Another one, nickel steel. Iron, nickel, carbon, chromium. Iron, nickel, carbon. This one another name, ferrous alloy. What is a ferrous alloy? Alloys with iron act as a major component. These two are non-ferrous alloy. What is a non-ferrous alloy? Alloys does not contain the iron as a major component. What are the uses for copper? Copper alloy with silver and gold. It is used for making coins and jewels. What is the uses for aluminium? Aluminium used as a electrical utensil, household articles, cable wires. What is the uses for iron? Iron can be used as a different way. First one, pick iron. Another one, wrought iron. What is the classification of pick iron, steel iron, wrought iron? Depends upon the percentage of carbon. First one, 2 to 4.5% of carbon. Here, lesser than 0.25% of carbon. This is between 0.25 to 2% of carbon. These are classified based on the carbon. What is the uses for this one? It is used for making stove or radiator or pipes. What is the use for the steel iron? It is used for construction of building, TV tower, etc. What is the uses for this one? This one used as a electromagnet, angus, radiator. Among that, wrought iron is a pure iron because of less number of carbon content. Another one is corrosion. What is the meaning for corrosion? Oxidative deterioration of metal to form metal component. For example, mechanism. At anode. Anode is a positive charge. During this anode, loss of electron takes place, oxidation occurs. Fe converted into Fe2 plus 2 electron lost. Loss of electron representation of oxidation occur at anode. One more question may be asked. At anode, what reaction occur? Oxidation reaction occur. At a cathode. At cathode is a positive charge, anode is a negative charge. Cathode is what the reduction occur, gain of electron. For example, oxygen react with hydrogen to formation of water. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. It's a 4 electron pair. This hydrogen coming from carbon dioxide plus water. The moisture to formation of H2CO3. This can be split as H plus CO3 2 minus 12. Hydrogen coming from in the moisture carbon dioxide, another one is water. H plus react with oxygen to form water. This water again react with oxygen to formation of oxide by using the gain of electron. How many oxygen? This is 4. This is 2 times. This is 2 oxygen. 4 electron gain of electron, nothing but is water reduction occur at cathode. This is OH group, this ion. Further is a Fe2 plus converted into Fe3 plus loss of electron. Fe3 plus and OH minus to formation of FeOH thrice or Fe2O3 not X times of water. This known as rust. This process known as rusting. This corrosion takes place. These are the mechanism. First at anode, ion converted to iron 2 plus loss of electron. Loss of electron means oxidation. At cathode is electrons are gain, hydrogen also gain is a gain of electron. These are water and oxygen react together to formation of OH minus. OH minus further react with this what Fe3 plus the formation of ferric hydroxide. Ferric hydroxide another name called as ferric oxide plus water. This color is brown color. Gray is white converted to brown. This known as rust. This process known as rusting. Next, what are the methods to prevent the methods to prevent the corrosion? What are the methods to prevent the corrosion? Corrosion of iron can be prevented by the following methods. First method is by coating of oils, paints and grease. Second method, alloying. What is the meaning for alloying? One metal coated with another metal. This to be prevent the corrosion. Best example. Stainless steel made up of iron, nickel, chromium, carbon. Another method is surface coating. Surface coating can be classified into various methods. First one, galvanization. What is the meaning for galvanization? A process in which coating the zinc over the iron sheet in order to prevent the corrosion. Second one, electroplating. It is a process in which coating one metal with another metal by using the current. Nickel coating, silver coating, this is the best example. Another one, anodizing. This one is the best method to prevent the corrosion. Here, transfer of metal surface converted into decorative parts. Another one is, last one is cathodic production. Controlling the corrosion of metal surface is coated with another metal. The metal easily undergo corrode. That metal name is called sacrificial metal. Another name is called as cathodic production. These are the methods to prevent the corrosion. First one is by coating with oils, paints, grease. Another one is alloying. Another one is surface coating. Surface coating can be classified into different types. Galvanization, electroplating, anodizing, cathodic production or sacrificial metal. These are the methods to prevent the corrosion. Let us recap the metallurgy. Metallurgy can be what flow chart, metal converted into, partially converted into concentrated wood, partly converted to concentrated wood, converted into concentrated wood. Concentrated wood converted into impure metal. Impure metal is converted into pure metal. These are the metallurgy. Next, some other point used in the metallurgy, concentration. Concentration can be classified into different type. First one is a gravity separation. Another one is a electromagnetic separation. Another one is a flotation. Another one is a leaching. These are the different methods. And next method is what? Roasting. Roasting means sulfide ores converted into oxide by using the regular supply of air. Another one is calcination. What is the meaning for calcination? Carbonate, hydroxide or hydrates. These are treated with limited supply of air to form oxide. Next is smelting. Smelting means reduction of metallic oxide converted into metal. There is a crude metal by using the powerful reducing agent. These are the terms used. Some of the terminology used in the metallurgy. What are the terminology? Minerals, ores, gangs, matrix, flux, slag. Next, by using this method, how to extract the is what? There are different types of metal. Regarding 10th, there are 3 metal can be extracted. First one is aluminium, copper, another one is iron. By using this one, how to discuss about the chemical property. Before knowing the chemical property, first to know about the valency of aluminium, valency of iron, valency of copper. Another one is alloys. Next one is amalgam. Next one is alloys of copper, alloys of aluminium, alloys of iron. Next one is corrosion. Telling how to practice these are the equation. That is what maintain the is what knowledge. Do best. Good luck.